side, I want y'all to imagine something. You just got up at work from doing a long ass motherfucking shift, right? You come home only to find out Venezuelan gangs done took over your entire apartment building. And now imagine this. You got proof of the motherfucker that you live in this bitch, that you pay bills up in this bitch, that you pay rent up in this bitch, only for the government to tell you that there ain't absolutely motherfucking nothing that they can do about it. Because those motherfuckers are considered squatters. In the words of Jerry Live, this motherfucker done started in Denver, Colorado. It's only a matter of motherfucking when this shit starts happening every motherfucking where. What did Elon Musk say? And then they will come for our motherfucking homes? So now my question to Kamala. Yo, goofy ass was in charge of this motherfucking border motherfucking shit. But now that we got this goofy ass shit that's going to rapidly fucking grow, you expect for us to trust everything you motherfuckers say? Because I'm sorry, you and your little blue motherfucking friends lied at that motherfucking that conviction. Y'all was at that convention, whatever the fuck that was. Lies upon lies upon lies, because what the fuck are y'all doing? What the fuck are y'all doing to help these motherfuckers that had to leave their goddamn motherfucking apartment? Where the fuck are they gonna go? And the crazy part about it is, the way that they seized this motherfucker, these motherfuckers have heavy artillery. So now my question is, how the fuck is those motherfuckers that has been living there for fucking years, how the fuck they supposed to fight back? Cause, I don't know what the fuck Denver, Colorado problem is, but let this have been somewhere in motherfucking Michigan. Oh, baby, we getting our leg back. Fuck is you talking about? But because our goofy ass motherfucking government done funded these motherfuckers to a grand fucking point that they can do shit like this with heavy fucking artillery, then on top of that shit, if the government is not doing an absolute nothing fucking thing to help these motherfuckers, or when this shit blows the fuck up, when y'all are not going to help us, if the government is not going to help us, then that gives us the okay to defend ourselves, right? Cause didn't y'all give us the freedom to carry? Or did y'all take that shit away from us? Just like y'all did fucking the fucking Hawaiians. So if it's okay for the Venezuelan gangs to ransack shit and get no kind of repercussion whatsoever motherfucking ever, then that gives us every motherfucking right. And when I say us, I mean us motherfucking Americans, even the motherfuckers that been here for fucking years. That give us the old absolute K to motherfucking defend ourselves. Because bitch, please. Bitch, please. I wish they motherfucking would.